Hey guys, this is Jeff with MarketWiz, and today we're going to go over advanced Craigslist ads and how to really make your Craigslist ads pop and get higher conversions. You know, if you put two of these Craigslist ads side by side, the one that's better designed has a better design and things like bold characters, bold words. Like emojis, like things that really pop out at customers, those are going to get clicked first. And a lot of people don't realize this, but Craigslist ads support HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And you can go to Craigslist's official page, which is help section, HTML and Craigslist postings. So, but this only has honestly a couple. Um, so there's actually way more, HTML commands you can use in these ads, and you can use emojis as well. A lot of people don't know that. Um, so I'm going to use a couple different basic softwares to kind of go over how you can custom design Craigslist ads. I've been getting actually a couple people that have asked about that lately, so I thought I'd do a little tutorial. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you know, I work for MarketWiz, so you can, if you're a business and you want it to professionally have your Craigslist and Facebook ads done, SEO, Maps SEO, whatever website, stuff like that, just go to our website on the link below and then click schedule an appointment, and I'll be happy to help. So what we can look at here to first start is basically this right here. So there's tons of different Craigslist softwares. You could use any one you want. We have a custom one. We use other ones. There's like 10 of them, right? So how you can do this is this text description here is going to kind of show you down and dirty output of your Craigslist ad here. And you can see right there, like page break stuff right there. This is the command for bold. And all this stuff is going to be the output of your ad right here. And I just did a little example of like an ad that has emojis and it has like bold and stuff like that. And I kind of want to give you an example of what it looks like before and after, which is pretty neat. First off, what you can do is when you're going through this, you definitely want to use the bold command a lot because it really makes ads stand out. Another trick you want to do is have your tags or keyword stuffing, you could also call it, where whenever somebody's on Craigslist and they search carpet cleaning, this ad will pop up. Let's go down here. Maybe they search for weekly cleaning services. That will pop up the ad as well. Electrostatic cleaning, that's an interesting one. Never heard of that, but if they type that in, this ad will also pop up. So a lot of people also fail to, put in the proper keyword stuffing or tags, whichever, however you want to call it, basically. You also want to have your website in there. Craigslist doesn't support, hyperlinks, but you can just put it in there and they can copy and paste it. We've got some bold here, and we've got some emojis here as well. So a couple commands that software do, it just makes it easier just to use a software to like write it, a software assistant. You don't want to like be searching through the, like books and dictionaries for every single HTML command. And Craigslist, their official site only gives you a couple, honestly, when there's way more stuff you can do. So if you wanted to, let's go through some of the options. The font, you can even change some of the font, which is pretty crazy. You don't see that a lot in Craigslist ads. So you could do stuff like that. So let's say we want to highlight this first word here, change the font, and go with the size right here. We could italicize it like right here. That really makes a difference. Let me go down here. So you can do stuff like this. You can even change the colors if you want. So you could take this, change the color right here. look at that. That's kind of interesting. And if you go over to the output, which is right here, we're going to look for the word everyone. Let's see if I could search it through here. Nope. Oh, okay, let's go back down here. Go back here. Everyone loves. Here it is right here. Everyone loves. So look at this. We've got the font right here, which is the sans serif size. Everything right there. So that's where the code was changed right here. This is the color code, obviously, right here. This is the font. And then that's going to make that change right there. Here's now the emoji is interesting. So this has a star right here. So let's see what that is. So emojis are pretty interesting because if you notice, well, here's actually the font, one of them up there as well. But if you notice, there's no coding for emojis. So how to actually trick Craigslist into using emojis is you have to go and actually search for them on Google, right? So if you go to, what's this one right here? Right here. So let's say you want the time emoji. Now, if you were to copy paste this one, it wouldn't work. You have to like select the correct one that has the correct code that works. So this one works fine. You could copy it, and then you could go into the software maker, the Craigslist ad maker right here, and then you could paste it, okay, and it works. See, right there. Which is pretty cool. And it actually is going to be like color coded. It's going to have color and everything. Just in the software view here, it's not going to say that. So, or show that it's in color. So if we go here, you'll see these changes here, which is really awesome. So this really makes the Craigslist ads pop. And you could do this for Facebook Marketplace as well. So this is a really good tool to, distinguish your ads where they just what's called your click-through rate. It just goes way up when you do ads like this. It does take a lot more time and effort, but once you get everything kind of saved in there, you could just start making replications of this ad and different variations, and you've got all of your emojis saved now in the ads. It makes it really easy to make a bunch of different ones, and you've got a lot of the hard work is done for you. And you also want to put it in your title as well. So you could we could go in here and look at some of these ones. So look at this person. They use this green check emoji, and if it's kind of interesting, right? There's a lot of ads now that you see that have all these emojis and stuff like that. I think it appeals more to the younger customer, right? They're on their iPhone and they're like, oh, and they just click it because they like this, it. Not only do they like it more and click it, but I feel like the ads stand out more, and that's probably why people click it. It just stands out. It's different. Because then if you look at these ones, they just really stick out more than these just get lost right here, And then I like this 1,000 job plus done. That's a really good way to stick out. And really, the combinations are really endless. So just if you were to do a Google search on all the emojis, chart of all emojis, look at this thing. This is just crazy. Look at these. There's thousands of these things. Well, maybe not 1,000, but there's a lot, right? So these are just some of them. And you could use all these to kind of customize your ad to, pop more and try to get higher, a higher click-through rate. Get more clicks, more customers, more jobs, So that's just a little tutorial on how to differentiate your ads using HTML coding with Craigslist ads. If you guys have any questions or need help, just please schedule an appointment with our link below. Just click on our website and then click schedule an appointment. We help a lot of small business owners all across the country with Facebook ads, websites, Google SEO, Craigslist ads, reputation management, text message marketing, email marketing, Facebook Marketplace automation, pretty much anything. So if you have any questions, just let us know. Hopefully this helps, and your Craigslist ads are getting different and better than your competitors. Talk to you soon.